seat mount kit for the Toyota GT86 and Subaru BRZ. This two-piece base plate design allows us to save weight. As you can see, the distance between the connection points is very low, so in this case we were able to design it very slim. The key point for a low seating position is this slight angle, as you can see it here in the front. With this kit you will get every required assembly material which is necessary to assemble this kit with a bucket seat in your car. It is made for the most bucket seats available due to our long holes in our side bracket and to adjust it in front of the steering wheel without having any offset. Safety first is the key point of our products, so in this case we run through FE analysis and stress simulations for every single item. Every of this item is not only designed but also manufactured in Germany. As an optional item, you can also find a slider in our shop for this kit.